Hello guys, in this video I'll show you China has released another AI model which is really powerful. It's actually really powerful. It's called as Kimi K2. If you simply type this on Google, the very first result which comes, this is the actual website Kimi K2 2.6. This is their latest model and it's very popular as compared to other AI models such as Claude, OpenAI, ChatGPT, which are really paid models. This is completely open source model. If you simply go to kimi.com, I personally using this model for coding, for generating slides, for generating images, videos, everything this model can do. It's completely open source. And the latest model, which is 2.6 instant, this model is really insane. It actually gives responses really fast. Once you come to the website, you first of all log in with your Google account. It's completely free to get started here. And the thing about this model is that there is no limit. You can create unlimited number of coding applications. There is no limit to it. So once you log in inside this is their agent mode. You can try this. You click on that and by default this will be activated agent mode, and right inside the agent mode you exactly tell the AI what sort of application you want to develop. So I will simply say build a image to PDF web app in browser. So now what the AI will do, it will, too many people are chatting with Kimi right now, subscribe to enter a dedicated priority. You can actually subscribe. They do have the subscription based model as well. So by default your trial will be activated. You can add your image, your own photographs, pictures as well. So right here, if by chance the queue is very long, you will get this message. You can click the upgrade button. They have this paid plan starting from $15, which will give you more agent credits, work with Word, Excel, slides, deep research. But this is not mandatory. You can start for completely free and just deactivate this agent mode. Just simply stick with this default option. Now if you want to try to build out, let's suppose, simply write this image to PDF web application in browser. So now the AI will start developing this entire application for you from scratch, a full stack coding application. So they have a dedicated AI mode which is Kimi code, which only does coding. As you see in the sidebar section, if you want to design slides, PowerPoint presentation, they have a program called as Kimi Slides. They have Kimi Docs. So these are different sections for different. This is Kimi Slides. So right here, if you have any kind of idea, you can actually say, just make a PowerPoint presentation on New Zealand cricket team. You simply type the topic, and now the AI will start developing a PowerPoint presentation, and it will just take a matter of seconds to create a high quality PowerPoint presentation. Same goes with agent docs. You can create Word documents as well. And this is Kimi code. You can directly install Kimi code directly inside your machine. So it actually comes with this command is required for this. So you simply install this. They do have a fully fledged IDE as well. So you have this subscription here. So it's available in VS Code. So with the name, you can install directly as an extension, or you can install this inside the terminal. So this is a command. So just open your PowerShell and simply install this. So I'm using this AI, which is really insane. It's completely open source. So you paste this command. So once you paste it, just enter it. Now it will be I think I need to. Yeah, so just open the command line and right here. Once is installed, you will get a notification and the CLI tool will be installed. So right here, you will be able to create applications. So now you will see it created this description. Now you could simply click on this generate slides. As soon as you click it, your slides will be generated and perfect. The outline has been confirmed. Now let me search for a high quality images to enhance. So it is automatically searching for the images, downloading it and creating a PowerPoint presentation for you. So then you can simply download the PPT file which will be ready for you. And now this coding application is also ready, as you see that a high quality image to PDF application is ready and it is, on the right hand side you can see the code. This is a live preview. You can copy the code to clipboard. You can see that. So this is a really high quality AI coding model, Kimi K2. It's completely Chinese based and it doesn't have any kind of restriction as opposed to other AI models. So in my opinion, definitely consider this. Install their CLI tool as well, Kimi code. Once it is installed, you can actually, so if you can afford, you can actually enroll inside their subscription fees, which will include all the features for you. So which is the slide section, everything. It can even generate images as well, images, videos, everything it can generate. So definitely check this Kimi K2 2.6 Chinese based model. So it's still generating the slides here, as you can see that PowerPoint presentation, it's still generating it. So you can see it generated this PowerPoint presentation on userland team. You can see it will actually automate everything. It is putting those images. You can see that generating high quality slides. Then you can download this PPT file once it completes generated. So this will save you a lot of time, guys. I personally am using it for completely free Kimi slides. It's a really good feature of this AI platform.